Every great build begins with a realization that standard is no longer enough. We start by listening to the machine's lines and to your vision. This isn't just a transaction, it's a shared mission. When we shake hands, your imagination becomes our blueprint. The car departs, but the work stays here. Now, we bring it into focus. It begins with a stroke of charcoal, the rawest form of creation. From paper to pixels, we refine the vision until it breathes. We don't just design for you, we design with you. Every revision brings us closer to the soul of your machine, but beauty must be backed by strength. We stress test the dream, ensuring every curve is as safe as it is striking. Now, the math is perfect. The transformation from code to chrome begins. The moment of truth. Before the reveal, we reflect on the journey, ensuring every detail matches the vision you held. Then the veil is lifted. The digital ghost becomes a solid reality. From the studio to the hub, precision finally meets the pavement. As the car settles, the transformation is absolute. This isn't just a fitment, it's a statement.